Sunday dinner, and you
Yeah.
save your chicken leg for last.
And a man just come
And man
and
just
grab it. Paul, over to you,
Yeah.
Paul.
Okay. The copyright law does not tell us how you work out a split for a song or a record. So it's up to the people that are involved in putting a song together. Let me use an example: the Beatles. It's only two members of the Beatles that write, and that is why John Lennon and Paul McCartney are so rich compared to the other two, because they get publishing from writing their songs. While although the other two members, the part of the band and they play in the band, the sound recording part, they they don't receive anything from those songs as writers of, nor from the publishing of, because they were not the writers of those songs.
Those are
So
skirt.
it can
So
be
Ringo
agreed that
Starr,
yeah, as band members, the
So,
band can say,
hold on a minute. Wait a part.
yeah,
Wait. Yeah, tell me. The big Beatles, we
yes,
celebrated group, you know.
uh-huh,
You telling me
only
that
two inside it,
Ringo
yeah.
and when him don't make nothing out of, so when all of the food that come out of the Beatles big catalog, the bulk of that plate go to John Lennon and Paul McCartney.
And Paul McCartney, because
Yeah.
they are the songwriters.
It's a similar situation with the Rolling Stones too. Keith Richards and Mick Jagger are credited for probably 99% of the Rolling
Oh
Stones songs.
my God.
Yeah.
So
But look, the other band members, them still come out pretty damn good when you're a band of that magnitude. So,
True, but you know, I have to ask, Chalice, how wanna stay?
we don't stay good.
well,
um,
at this stage, they can work it out. They can easily agree that all the recordings that were made, split it among everybody, because we didn't understand what was happening there, and we all contributed towards the song.
well, Paul, if you look at the same song, Old Nigger, you'll see that it have 7 composers. It was all
Oh,
of us
good,
in the
yeah.
band.
The
That
band can do that, yes.
yes.
But if the person who wrote the song decides, say, look here, I'm not gonna share it that way,
Me
Right.
one.
because all we are gonna benefit from the recording, because there's
Yes.
neighboring rights to benefit from, the
Right.
equitable remuneration to benefit from as well, plus licensing deals to benefit from, so they can hold hardball and decide, say, look here, man, I create this thing. This is my song.
Yeah, but
We
without the
can,
musician, then the song wouldn't go away.
yeah, yeah. Look here, the song don't have to stay with you to make money.
You
It's
could
what
have
you
give
call
to
music
somebody
publishing.
else.
You can pass the song to a music publisher who will exploit the musical value from the song, and they can earn from it. The song that Whitney Houston did for Dolly Parton,
Hmm.
Elvis Presley wanted the song, and Dolly Parton decided, said, no, I'm not giving anything from a song. You can get from the recording, because you are popular. So why you want my song as well? And she did not give him any. And she waited until Whitney came along, and Whitney sang the song, and that was it. She can
Can
relax and enjoy life, a beachfront enjoy life as she wants from that one song.
Wayne, you were
So
can I tell you?
yeah.
Yeah. Yes, I just want to tell you a little story while we're on that. This is coming from the horse's mouth, and I don't mean that Diana is a horse, but Diana King, Diana King wrote a tune called "Treat Her Like a Lady" on her debut album for, I think it was Universal, when she had that song in the movie Bad Boys, and Diana did quite well from that album.
good.
Um, um, a lady by the name of Celine Dion approached Diana some years after to recut for her to do treat her like a lady. However, Celine's publishers wanted a huge chunk of the publishing on the version that Celine would have done. And Diana wisely decided, you know what? Let me give it up. And Diana told me that the money she had made from Celine Dion version was maybe 3 or 4 times more than she made on her entire album. So
wow.
sometimes them's the breaks.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.